Hey, it's Richard with Matthews Wealth Management. We're going to do the asset performance for July 2022. We'll just jump right into equities here. U.S. equities, we've got large cap value is up 3% for the month of July, and then it just takes off from there. Blend is up 9, almost 12 on the growth side. It's actually 12s all the way on growth. And then you've got the 6, 7, 7, 10 on mids and smalls. Basically, everybody saw that the Fed was going to raise the 75 basis points, and we got a second quarter of contraction for the economy, for GDP. But that's not a recession, but it means they'll pivot, so stocks took off, right? And that was the gist of July, and as frustrating as that is for me and the changes we made back in June, I think we're still okay. We're still doing good. International up 6.2, which is strange considering emergings were only up 2.6. And if we're considering that we're going to cut rates and then the dollar would drop, that would actually boost emerging more than international. So I think somebody's just wrong with the way that they're calculating this stuff. But yeah, money just needs to flow into equities is kind of the general theme here. If the Fed is really not going to take us all the way into a technical recession. Just ask Janet what that means. Short-term bonds are down 11 basis points for the month of July. Everything else is positive in bonds. Intermediates 41. Long-term's up 2.5. People are trying to lock in the longer-term bonds right now at their 2.5%, and that's what's driving up the price of old bonds. I expect that to be a little early to make that call. We're probably sometime next year before our firm's making that call. But tips, for whatever reason, I didn't get the data out of there. Actually, I had a weird data glitch for July where normally I'll run like July 1 to 31st, and for whatever reason this shifted it by 6 days. So it's from August 6th to July 7th, and maybe somewhere in there this tips number didn't have something logged or whatever. But yeah, not too worried about tips. They're different durations. Duration shows us more, but high yields, huge month, 6.1%. Real estate, 6%. That's just people thinking it's over, right? This pain is just going to disappear overnight. We're back to pandemic returns. Go buy your GameStop, I guess. Gold, 2.2. That's strange. I would have expected that to drop, but it went up. So, you know, I'm very bullish on precious metals, but they're highly manipulated, and now some people are going to jail for it, hopefully. Oil down 6.85%. So this is now that we're seeing this come down, yet we see CPI up 9.1%, but the second quarter that signals recession, the Fed's going to bail? I don't know. I think that's wrong. And actually, it's August. I know they're wrong. It's already happened. But year to date, NASDAQ's down 21.74%. So if you're one of those tech guys that just bought up all the GameStop and Nokia and everything that you could put your stimulus money into, Bitcoin too, by the way. Bitcoin is highly correlated to large cap growth because it's tech. It's not currency. Y'all don't even call it cryptocurrency anymore. You just call it crypto, right? Wonder why. S&P 500 down 12.24. Moderate is right there with it. Why is that? Because interest rate risk killed all the bonds as we started raising rates. So at Matthews Wealth Management, we understand interest rate risk, so we preserved a good 2% on top of that, which is good. Clients are happy. They should be. But yeah, this is the month of July, which was just wrong. 90% of Wall Street didn't really read it right. When Jay Powell came out and said, we're not going to give forward guidance, it really meant he doesn't know what he's doing, not that we've got it under control. So yeah, first week of the month of August did not go well. And so I can be very confident in saying what I'm saying now. But yeah, we'll come back next month here in the Coffee Street, I believe, building with the new whiteboard here. And until we get moved into the new place, just kind of get used to this. But see you in September.